Guys, Nick, the junk guy, back at it today. Sunday. Shouldn't probably be even working today, but this is a repeat customer out here in Carlsbad today. Just bought this beautiful home out here. I think it's like his third home within this same year. Beautiful. Carlsbad by the ocean, California. So we're out here and we're picking up all this. I guess we're doing some remodeling today. Got a bunch of remodeling. Said he had a couple boxes. Looks like a lot more than a couple boxes, but that's no problem. That's what we do. Come and clean it all up for you. So if you got some debris like this, some bulky trash, just some trash, construction debris, whatever, give us a call. We'll be there same day, next day. Yeah, we'll get it all picked up for you. How we do it. Take care of your business. So give us a call.